Design flexibility. When it comes to design flexibility, choosing the right material can have a major impact on the creativity and functionality of your space. Steel and concrete each offer unique advantages, depending on the type of design you're aiming for. Steel frame houses excel in offering design flexibility. With its high strength-to-weight ratio, steel allows for wide, open spaces and long spans without the need for multiple internal supports or load-bearing walls. This is perfect if you're envisioning an open-plan layout, large windows, or expansive, column-free spaces. The ability to create vast open areas without worrying about the structural integrity of the building opens up endless design possibilities. If you dream of modern, minimalist, or industrial-style spaces, steel can give you that sleek, bold aesthetic that other materials struggle to achieve. It also allows for much larger glass installations, giving your home a more open, airy feel with natural light flooding the interior. Concrete, on the other hand, is incredibly versatile when it comes to form and function, allowing for more complex shapes and textured surfaces. While it may not offer the same vast, uninterrupted spaces as steel, concrete can be molded into almost any shape, making it ideal for intricate sculptural designs. Concrete is often used for structures that require highly durable walls like basement or foundation walls, and can also incorporate reinforced steel for added strength and more demanding architectural features. However, due to its heavier nature, concrete often needs more support and reinforcement, which can limit the type of designs you can create, especially in terms of long open spaces. If you're looking for sturdy, solid structures with unique designs or specific architectural features, concrete can be a great choice. But for flexible, modern layouts, steel tends to offer more options.